Match Part 4. This is Kitten Match and it's Part 4, okay? Part 4, everyone, Part 4. I only realized that you can play this on... right now at least that you can play this on... that you can play this offline, so this is fun. Also, that's it. So, you can play this online, offline, or online. This is part 4 Kitten Match. So you guys can like suggest any like video that you want. I would definitely think about that. I would think about that. I definitely think about that. So don't worry. YouTube break doesn't get that much. I need to like see me break those. Please focus on the game instead of poking me. Okay. We need one more. Yes, you did it. 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 Very good job. Very good job. Very good job. Very good job. Let me just so you guys can hear my voice. I'm gonna make my voice louder so you guys can hear me. So our objective is what is our objective? Getting yay! Getting this. Our objective is getting that wallpaper. That's like our objective. Yes, there you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yay! That's like the only thing we can do. Trophy there. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Maybe that helped us. That helped us a lot actually. So feel like sun on my skin. So need to find an advantage that will let us be ourselves. Okay, that we got that. We just need those left. More of those. Yay, we're getting it. And a tree. Yay, level complete! Let's go. So this is Abu. Abu reminds me of the monkey in Aladdin. Abu reminds me of the monkey in Aladdin. So it's a fun game. You guys should check it out. Definitely. I recommend this. I recommend this game. It's a fun game. Let's see. Ooh, I like the pink one. I like this one. I like this. What you guys think? The wallpaper chosen by Wonder Kid is really beautiful. Now the wall will not drop dust anymore and all the cracks are gone. But the wall seems a bit dull, feeling a little cold. Wonder Kid, it seems that Abu is already familiar with you and he can smell his nitpicking in front of you. Meow, I'm not picky. Really, do you know that Annie downstairs is always calling you Prince on the P? It's because you always think the food she sent you is too sweet. Well, is it true? Annie always uses a lot of sugar and the food is too sweet. And this wall, there's nothing on the wall. Well, of course, it's cold. Meow, but Wonder Kitty, our Prince on the P, he has got a point. I also think we should decorate this wall. What should we do? At this time, the doorbell rings outside. Meow, Wonder Kid, it must be a gift I ordered. Let's hurry up to open. I'm sure Abu will love this gift. What's a gift? What's a gift? Oh, thank you. What's a gift? Lance's gift. I'm excited. Okay. What's the gift? I wanna know. What's the gift? I wanna know. What's this? Can I do that? Oh. Okay, so key. Don't worry, I got it. Breaking. Hi, kids. There you go, that's one little bird. There you go. Explosions! How many? Ooh, 41! 41. Perfect. Lance is right there. It's so adorable. Oh my god, this game is adorable! Ooh. Nice. I really want to get the kitty. I got the doggy. Doobie. So your name is Doobie. Hi, Doobie. I really wish that I could get you, but I can't. It's okay. I mean, I get it. I get why you like do this. We're winning. I like that. I like winning. That's fun. Feel like sun. Right there. There you go. We just gotta destroy those. Oh, can't. Yes. Yeah, I'm great at making progress. I want that. Good, that's good. We just need one more. How can that help us? We did it! Look at Abu, she's so happy. Perfect. Oh. I'm keeping my voice very big because I'm giving my voice very high so you guys can hear me, because I think the first video you guys couldn't hear my voice is the background music was too loud. Oh, it's a video game console. Nice. Let's get the blue one. I like the blue one most. Wow, it's actually my favorite vintage arcade cabinet. A gleam of sparkle appears in Abu's eyes, which have been filled with sadness for a long time. What? What is arcade cabinet? Arcade cabinet is a large video game machine. Wonder Kitty has really good craftsmanship. These parts are assembled very well, and it's also painted. But Abu, why do you like arcade cabinet? I thought you would like comments and operas. After all, you look like a gentle domestic cat. Teehee, that's because of me. When Abu was not sick, I secretly took him out to play at the time when there was an old video game. In the corner of the seat, we slipped it there and it was open. Abu fell in love with the video game since then. But Lance, how come the arcade cabinet is here? It looks the same as the one in the shop. Abu, the arcade cabinet has been replaced by computers. The video game arcade is in a league to survive. I heard that the shop owner was going to throw this away. So I asked my stray cat friends to get it back from the dump with me. Such a precious thing should never be thrown away now. It seems that this Mr. Arcade is also abandoned by its owner, just like me. Now, Abu, now you have us and Wonder Kitty. You won't be alone in here. Come, Wonder Kitty, let's play games together with Abu. Nice. Arcade cabinet. Oh, okay. My mouth hurts. I need water. Wait, let me get some water. Where's the water? Okay, let's just I'm gonna pause this video right. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Justin, I think, wait. It's so big, but now his device is so small. You should like, yeah. One, we need a few so these guys can be free. Last mother. I thought that was gonna be enough. Okay, there's like one. Yeah, that's not gonna finish that. Can you wait, please? Ah, that's a problem. Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Oh, we did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Okay, I may. This is. I think this is gonna be short. I think this video is gonna be short. Let's just finish this. OMG! Look at them go. It's really fun to play video games. The arcade cabinet is so interesting. Why is it abandoned? The times are changing, and such a heavy machine is a burden to take. Just like me, I must be abandoned for my owner when I was ill. That's why I was abandoned. No, Abu, listen. What comes to your mind when you see this arcade cabinet? It reminds me of happy time with Lance. That's right, Abu. Lance won't leave you, nor will you. So happiness will not leave you. You'll be fine and we'll be with you. Meow, I'm so touched that everyone cherish me so much. I must get well, and I won't let you down. Oh no, this is adorable. Ooh, ooh, stool. We're gonna get the stool. Let us finish this first. I already tried to form it. What? Nani? Salbum? Oh my god, bro. Okay, so let's just finish reward level. Ooh, reward level. Let's just finish this episode, like get as much as I can. Mega! That's a lot. Okay, this is like the last of the last. This like part 4 or part 5. I don't know. This part's gonna be like a mini part. So let's get the stool ready. Abu, Wondercat found a way to treat your skin disease yesterday. Let's start tackling your intestinal disease today. Yeah, Wonder Kitty, maybe you need to sit down and examine Abu carefully. We might as well put an Ottoman here. Ottoman. Ooh. Ooh. What you guys think about this? You pick up Abu and check him carefully for a while. Finally find the problem. Ah, Wonder Kitty. So that's it. Abu's stomach problem is caused by parasite. I helped Abu lick her hair, but I didn't see any parasite on her. The parasite is not on the, but also may go into the cat's stomach. So cats need to be regulated. Abu, when did you have deworming last night? I had no deworming since my owner left you. Poor Abu. If you don't deworm regularly, the parasites will cause stomachache, diarrhea, and malnutrition problems. Wow, cats are smart. It seems that we may have to deworm Abu immediately. That's right. We also need to reserve cat dewormer at home in the future. Okay, let's prepare a small cabinet for Abu and lens to store medicines. But that's good to have. Okay, this is like the last. I'm not. This is not the last episode. Okay, take my money. Wait, let me just... What do we do? I don't know what to do. Yes, we got the Sambikopa. I like the Sambikopa. It's so cute and adorable. I like that. Catalog lands. We can. Oh, what you guys want? Do you guys want this one? Do you guys want this one? Let's Lance is now a gentleman. Oh, let's see this. That's adorable. Okay, you know what? Lance, you're a gentleman now, okay? Lance is a complete gentleman. Look at Mario. Mario Kitty. Mario Kitty. It's so adorable. And there's like Lance. He's a little gentleman. Oh, a little gentleman. It's adorable. Let me take a picture at you. Let me take a picture. Yeah, picture. It's adorable. Yeah. No more pictures. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. So that's it. Yeah, that's like it. So I think this is this is the end of the video now. Yeah, I'll give you a 5. Oh, yeah. So like, here's the game. This is a kitten match. It's a fun game. This is a collect cute cats. Yeah, that's like the main objective of this game. How about fish? Like I'm gonna draw a smiley face. Download this game. It's quite fun. How much do we need to earn? 1. Okay, let's just like finish this one, and then I'll be off doing something else. I mean, I'm not saying that this is useless. Definitely not useless. I'm just saying that. Ooh. We win! Oh, never mind. We don't actually win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I win. There. Beautiful. I got, a lot. I got a lot. That's perfect. Thank you. Perfect. I love this game. So, yes, and we didn't get that. So, ooh. I think I like that. I like this too. Yeah, this is adorable for me. All the medicine that's stored in the cabinet. Wonder Kitty, let's help Abu to deworm now. Wonder Kitty, can you teach me how to deworm? I'll help Abu do it in the future. Lance, not only me, but you also need deworming. Right, Abu is right. Lance, deworming is actually very simple. Just take a simple deworm pearl and then apply a small tube of deworm liquid on your body. Take pills, apply deworm pearl. I don't want them. Lance, this situation looks familiar. You helped me take medicine in the bedroom. Now it's my turn to help you. Look at the two cats chase each other in the room. Finally, Lance is forced to take this, my kitty, and I'll finish deworming obediently. Successful treatment. The dewormers will soon take effect, and Abu's stomach illness caused by parents will definitely be cured. It's getting late. Let's take a good rest with Abu. Abu's getting better every day. He'll be much better tomorrow. Good night, Kitty, and good night, Wonder Kitty. Good night, Wonder Kitty. Thank you for brightening up my life. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's so sweet. That's adorable, actually. Yes. Do I need 2 or do I need 1? Okay, it's now morning. A smell of smoke comes when everyone is still sleeping. What's the smell? A lot of smoke in the room. Cough. Wonder Kitty, wake up! Uh-oh. What's this? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh no. Let's just go here first. We'll try that formula. Let's get the yellow, red, muddy, blue. Let's just, this is our last. I promise this is our last. Then we'll definitely switch it up. Thank you. You're a lot of help. Promise. You're a mega help. That's like gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take so much time. Yes, we're finally making progress. Progress is what I need, actually. Yeah, it's helping. It's working. It's working. Yes, let's go. It's fine. We're finally getting some progress here. Finally, some progress. That's what we need. That's what we need. That's what we need. I only need one more box. Then there. That's okay. It's doing it. It's doing by itself. We didn't actually do it. Award moves. Look at him. He's a little gentleman. He's a little gentleman. He's a little gentleman. He's a little gentleman. Let's fix the fire immediately. And then tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll finish. Yeah, we need to fix that fire. Everyone looks to find the table in night and fire. Oh no, the table's on fire. What can we do? Would we die in the fire? I remember Annie downstairs has fire days. I'll borrow them to put. Just then a voice comes behind everyone. Your house will be burned already when you come to me. I bought the fire. Oh, Annie! Hi, Annie! Annie, great! You were just in time. Hurry, help us put out the fire. Little pig, get out of the way. Lance and that human, take the fire scene. Let's go. Get out of the way. Little pig, that's adorable. That's adorable nickname. That's cute. It's still on fire though. It's still on fire. Oh, fine. This is our last. I am serious. This is our last. If the fire's gonna keep going, I have to like finish this like a few minutes more. There. We're making some progress. Yeah, thanks. It's like a circus here. There, one. Just need a few more toasters. There's over. I hope you finally like get rid of the fire. Because that's so. Annie's a cat. I thought she was a human. She's a cat. I didn't know. Are we gonna adopt Annie? I wanna adopt Annie. I want Annie to be like a part of our family. That would be awesome. Be like part of our family. I see myself on the floor. There. I see the boom, 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 boom. Whoa, that was close. Unfortunately, fire is not spreading. We're safe. Whoa. Thank you, Annie. You saved us all. Hello, Annie. Thank you for saving. I'm Kitty, and this is Wonder Kitty. Oh, so you're Wonder Kitty. I heard that you're coming. How is it? Do you like this new home? More than that, Wonder Kitty's done a lot of work for it. It's getting pretty here. It looks really pretty, except for this burnt-out table. No problem. Wonder Kitty will help us move this table away and replace it with something more suitable. Yeah, Annie. Don't you also want to renovate your room? You can just learn from Wonder Kitty. Really, then I hope you don't mind me hanging around and watch and learn Wonder Kitty. I'll help you move this table out. Okay, at least the fire is out. So I want to adopt you. Where are you? Oh, I can't adopt you yet. I can't adopt you yet. There's a yet on that. I'll get you soon, buddy. You like that? That's adorable. That's adorable. Let's see. Ah! Okay, that's cute. So I'm gonna say goodbye now because it's been 30 minutes now. So bye everyone. I'll see you at part 5. I don't know what part is this, part 5 or 6. I'll see you there. Peace out.